So I found this asset on Fab by Pepe and Marul, and they have this really cool cozy life simulator which resembles Animal Crossing a lot. This is not sponsored or anything. I'm actually just genuinely curious and want to try this for the channel. But when I first started Unreal a while back, my initial goal was to make something like Animal Crossing, and then I played the game and I said no. Um, but I thought this was super cool. They have a demo to try out, and they also just have the characters if you want to do something yourself. But let's go ahead and check this out. All right, so it starts off. I'm glad it shows the controls on the bottom right. It feels just like Animal Crossing for the PC. Oh, nice. Okay, so there's a sprint. We can talk. The same little bubble text. There's none of that type text or type voice, and that's fine. Either add. There's also an indoor. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, okay, nice. And now I can move my mouse around. Oh, oh, everything's interactive. Okay, that's pretty cool. Can I sleep? No. All right. Well, that fridge doesn't really work. Anything here? All right, let's go back outside. So on the bottom right is my inventory, and I can also use my mouse wheel. Oh, nice. There's already a fishing rod. Oh, that's pretty sick. And fishing animations. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so the fish touched my rod, and I got a fish, as shown on the bottom right. I can also catch butterflies. Let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, perfect. And I have a shovel. All right, the shovel doesn't really do much, but let's see if we can cut this tree down. Oh, tree chopping. Oh, and I got lumber. What's this? This is actually kind of crazy how much it resembles Animal Crossing. I really like this. This is actually super cute. I hear a train. Are there more? Oh yeah, there's more people. Why is everyone so peppy all the time? Stuck in a simulation. Okay, nice, but oh, oh, I'm guessing these are the creators. Nope. Oh, he's a co-creator. Oh, so his real name's not Pepe. Mish? Hmm, okay. Dude, you're standing in the train tracks. All right, there we go. Oh, that's so cool. There's a nighttime. The lights came on. I really like this. Oh, oh wait. The train, the train, the train. No! They blocked it off. What are you doing, bud? All right, Chuck, relax. I like this material effect where when I go down the world or up the world, it kind of feels like the world's spinning. Oh, there's a house down there. I wonder if we can get to that. Whoa, this is actually a much bigger environment than I thought. Holy crap. Wait, there's a few houses over here too. Oh my god, the light. What the? You're just staring at me like that. Okay, get out of here. She was coming to butcher. Whoa, it's daytime already? Damn, you got the big house. How do you like that, Moose? Okay. But yeah, overall, a really, really cool asset. Yeah, I think this is an amazing starter point to just build something like Animal Crossing in Unreal Engine. It comes with a lot of the cute assets too, which I really, really like. And it comes with this world spinning material. It already has quite a few of the functions like butterfly, shovel, fishing, and tree chopping. And yeah, that's pretty much just an asset overview. Thanks for watching, Coder though, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.